Dupar's Restaurant and Bakery has been here at the Farmers Market since 1938. We are known for our fresh food, fresh ingredients, homemade meals, just like Mom makes. We're famous all over the world for our hotcakes. In fact, Esquire magazine named us best hotcakes in America. We make everything from scratch. We have our chicken pot pies. We make our own traditional meatloaf. We have our traditional turkey plate, which you can get all year round. We have a variety of seafood. We have crab cakes on our menu, which we make on the premises as well. Oh, mac and cheese. Wow, 5-cheese mac and cheese. But no meal is complete without a slice of pie. We're really known for our pies. We are so happy to keep our customers coming back generation after generation. It's rewarding to see. I'm Frances Tario from Dupar's Restaurant and Bakery, and I am Farmers Market.